Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Fair Figure. Fair Figure is a fairly new fintech. They offer a credit line, working capital credit line. They have a Fair Figure card, and they have some credit monitoring tools for business and personal. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right. So, as you can see here, this is their homepage. If you want to sign up, use the link in the description below. So we're just going to go through it. All right. So it says here, unlock capital and master your business credit today. Check your commercial and consumer scores at no extra cost and get same day access to capital with the Fair Figure business card. All right. So I'm going to be having the CEO on. I've already talked to him. I'll have him on in the next couple of days, more than likely. We're just trying to figure the schedule out and everything. But what I what I'm taking away from the Fair Figure card and service they offer is it's kind of a mix between, like, say, um, Nav Business Boost or the Nav Prime card, and also, say, Credit Karma, but they offer FICO scores on your personal end. So let's just kind of go over this real quick. It says they partner with Equifax, Fundex, Creditsafe, Experian, and TransUnion. All right. Okay. So a business credit and funding suite to co-pilot you from startup to enterprise. Accelerate your growth by having accurate insights of your business financials, credit scores, and same day access to capital with the Fair Figure Business Capital Card. The limits range from $500 up to $500,000. You establish your business profile, keep your business information current with the bureaus, build trade experiences, use your Fair Figure Business Capital Card for your daily expenses. Monitor your business credit, check your business credit scores and net 30 accounts. Get capital now up to 500,000 for equipment or to expand your business. This is the actual card, Fair Figure Business Capital Card. New businesses can get approved for the Fair Figure Business Capital Card. Funds can be used to pay other vendors' expenses while building trade experience. There are no hard inquiries. Applying will not affect your credit score. So to be able to get approved, you need to have, we'll go over that in a minute, the other features of Fair Figure card. But to be able to get approved, you're going to have to connect your business bank account using like the Plaid system. All right. Free to sign up, doesn't cost anything. Use the link in the description below. And it's going to, help you realize and understand things about your business credit, because it's going to, in about 24 hours, it's going to show you your business credit scores. All right. Initially, I think they give you the Creditsafe business credit report for free. But then if you want to get the Equifax and Experian business credit scores, then you need to upgrade. The first month is like $1. Then after that, I think it's like $20 a month or something like that, around that. But I can tell you this, if it's going to be reporting to Experian, that alone, it's worth, the 20, $30 it may charge per month. All right. Um, or if it's reporting to any of them, I mean, it's definitely a good deal. Okay. So let's go over to how it works. So it's similar to, like I said, Nav. Just if any of you guys sign up with Nav, you're going to have to put in your company name. This asks for your EIN and your state, and then it will search and find if you have a business credit profile. After that, you link your financial data, meaning your business bank account. However, it's not required. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, it's not required. It just, keep in mind, you're not going to get access to the funding if you don't connect your business bank account. Now, the Fundex Score, that's their own scoring model. I think it takes a mix of like your business credit reports from others and your business bank account. And then it will show you your available funding. You can have access to that immediately. So as it says here, access to your bureau reports and scores once you have your business credit profile, financial data, and 3 bureau report scores, you're ready to truly maximize your business and personal goals. All right. So like I said, it's free to go ahead and like join. And then it's $1, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's like $1. Use my link. It's like $1 to upgrade if you want to get all the scores. This is just kind of a little demo what it shows. And you can see like this is just a little demo, like I said, 1.4 thousand available, 1,400 available for funding. So it's like you can instantly take that if you're approved. All right. I don't have the card. I haven't used it yet and stuff because this is fairly new, but it is no credit checks on your personal credit, and it's going to help you build up your business credit because it's another trade line that's reporting. All right, and you get to see your other business credit scores. All right, so um, this is kind of just repeating the same thing. Get access to capital beyond traditional net 30 terms, same day funding to your fair figure capital card. And I believe also, I believe that the personal scores that they show you for the premium one, I believe those are actual FICO scores. They're not like Vantage scores. All right. So that's pretty much it. I'll get more information here very soon for you guys. Just check out the link in the description below. Go ahead and sign up. Like I said, it's only like $1 to upgrade, but it's free to sign up. If you want to get the other tools and reports for your business credit reports, then it's, I believe, $1 to get with all of the agencies. Uh, right now, I believe with the free one, it's just Creditsafe, business credit reporting agency. So, um, anyways, again, any questions about this, please put it in the comment section. And I'm going to have the CEO answer those questions when I do a live interview with him. All right. All that being said, you guys take care. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Thanks again. Take care. Bye.